some new topics in SQL, foreign key and primary key, group by and joins. It is also a very important thing in SQL. Like again, we have a two table. First one is primary, second one is foreign key. The primary key is a unique and cannot be null. And it is a foreign key. Foreign key depend on the primary key, and the primary value can be exist in one and more time into the foreign key. But if we want to insert those value into the foreign key, which is not available into the primary table, so we cannot insert into the foreign key table. And similar in group by. Group by means, like for example, we have a table. The group by also come in a Python part, and you know very well group by, like John, Harry, Smith, Gay, Gary, age something that, location this one, and it is ID. Now I want to group by all the information according by location. After applying this query, you can see the result: California, number of time 2, and Los Angeles is 1 time, New Jersey is only also the 1 time. Joins. I think you know very well when I apply the merge append concept in Power BI. So similar in SQL, we have a join. Join basically allow or to fetch the result one and more column as per the given criteria. So basically we have 5 to 6 type of join. Inner join to display only the common data of two table or more table. Left join display data left table first and show the common on the right table. Right join display data of the right table and also show the common data. Full outer join show the complete data of both table. And cross join like 1 to all, B to all, and C to all. So it is all about the joins, and today we will discuss practically all these things in SQL. Okay, class? Any query, anything which you want to ask me before starting some practical work? What is the importance of this one? Why we are doing this? Something like that. No question? Okay. So firstly, I want to create a table from the scratch till to advance. I have just started the file. Firstly, I want to create Then I want to use them. The database created successfully. Then I want to create a table. Employee and department. I'm just creating a table, employee, and again I'm taking a column name, EMPID, and the employee ID should be in integer. Primary key not null, that means it cannot be duplicate and it cannot be null. EMP name. Character, we can supply up to 255 character only inside this one. And EMP address. When the table is specified perfectly, then select only these things. Now execute the command. When you execute the command, see the detail. You can see the table is empty. Insert value into employees table. Remember one thing, the table value should be same according to the column. The value is 101, name James, and made it. After doing this, you can see you can also insert one more record in this one. One zero two. Now you can see we have the two record. Any query class in these things. Now I can proceed the next. Now I want to create the data modeling part, which I have discussed in this one. How we can create the foreign key, then I will discuss the group by, order by, then I will discuss the joins. We already know about the what is primary and the foreign key, but again we are just discussing. Now I just want to create the second table. Second table is based on primary key. Now create table department. Now I want to create a table like EMP ID integer, and I want to link into the foreign key references. I think you have done lots of this time. So you have completed all the previous things related to the SQL, and today I will discuss some advanced thing in SQL. And those are not familiar with Python and also start some basic thing in Python, then I think you have done lots of the things. And after some days and some coming upcoming class, I will discuss some new things in Python. So the foreign key link established successfully. Department name and project name. So it is a second table. So the foreign key created successfully. We have another method also, select star from. There is no value. If I just want to insert into one, so in the primary table we have value 101, 102. So class, can you please tell me if I want to insert 103 and the IT department and project name. Can you give me the answer? What the thing will be happen when I perform this kind of operation on data? Anybody want to give me the answer? Because you have learned already.
I think it will give you error value
Yeah.
because of the ID, the employee ID doesn't exist.
Yeah.
103.
Good. So when I want to insert this value, so it will insert, the reason is that the foreign key is not established. So the right method to link the foreign key, it is a right method to implement the foreign key. You can take any like EMP code, and you can also change here EMP code. But remember one thing, before doing this thing, I just want to drop. Now create the table again. Now the foreign key established successfully. I want to insert this value again. It will give the error. The error will give the foreign key established. So the 103 is not exist into the primary table. If the value is not exist into the primary table, so we cannot insert them. So I can insert only those value which is available into the primary table. Then we can see them.
Mm.
It is a data modeling concept, primary and the foreign key. You cannot insert those value which is not part of the primary table. Clear, student? Any doubt? Now we can insert some more web value here for the joins and the group by. Then you insert the value, then you are able to insert the 103 again in this one. If the 103 is not available in the primary table, so you cannot insert here 103.
Mm.
Now I want to load group by. You can also see for the group by, I have already a table. I want to check out how many employee from California and how many employee from Meerut and some other cities. I repeat my question. I want to know that how many employee from the California, how many. We can also import here, export and import record from any file. You can see I have also created a table here, imported a table successfully. But firstly, I want to group by. Arrange the data, something like that. I want to show the all data from employee. Class, you can see the data is here. But now I want to arrange group by address. Whenever you want to apply the group by, so it will demand for the aggregation. So you can see only the Merit and the California is there. But I want to count number of employee. So I can use count and EMP address. Note the EMP address. Star and count EMP address. So behalf of this query, I count. So there are two employee belong from the California and one employee belong from the Merit. And now the column name is not perfect. So I'm just giving the column name like number of employee. Got it, class? This query result. Now the question is that I want to count. Now the second question from the salary data. If you want to show all table, so we have the table name salary. And again, I want to group by the salary. Now the class is your time. Please tell me the query. I want to show the total salary according to position wise. Anybody want to explain the query? How we can group by the salary according to position wise? Actually, the class will be Mohini, Sirisa, Vijay, Prem. You want to reply the answer? I think you should have to do more practice for the SQL and the Power
Yeah.
BI.
So you ask the maximum salary or the
Total salary.
total? So we can sum instead of the
right?
count.
Select
We use the sum.
sum
Yeah.
salary
Uh,
from
from salary.
salary. It is enough.
Yeah. No. The star somewhere.
Okay, star.
Where is the? Yeah, I think
Star show the all column.
Okay.
and group by.
Uh,
Position.
mhm.
When we apply this one, you can see the sum salary, but I just want to see only the position. So it is a position and it is a total position wise salary. It will
Uh,
total them. You can see when we are talking about in this table. So John, Harry, Smith, Gary. So we want to organize data according to the location. So the California come the two time. So that is the reason in this particular table, California
Only
show the data in
selected.
two.
See. Okay.
Got it, class?
yes.
Yes, sir.
So similar I'm doing here. So it is my complete table. So I can check the CEO. I want to insert some duplicates, some more value. Insert into salaries, values, business analyst. Value insert successfully. You can see the business analyst. Where is the business analyst? I'm just inserting the value. Okay, not a problem. Why the reason is that not inserting the reason, but value insert successfully. Okay, not a problem. So it is a group by query, this one and this one. Whenever you face this problem, not you can stop the server and start again. It depend on you. So the group by arrange the data as per your requirement. Okay, Rahil, you have late joined the class. Why?
Actually, sir, my laptop was not working, sir. So I
Okay,
joined from phone.
okay. So today I'm discussing about the sequel. First thing I have discussed how to create a simple table, primary key and the foreign key concept for the data modeling. I think you told me you have worked with SQL.
Actually, sir, I have worked in a little bit in Power BI. SQL I have to take, sir.
Uh,
Previous lecture.
okay. So that is the reason it is also I'm starting from the scratch. So don't worry, you can see the
Understood, sir.
recorded class today. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now the similar we have the salary. If the salary some salaries are repeated and I'm just trying to insert the value inserted but not showing. I'm just want to close the MySQL workbench and start again. Whenever you open the database, use them, select the salaries. Actually, I have imported this table, so that is the reason. And to check out the type of this one, so we have a command show DESC salaries, describe salary to know the structure of the salary. So first one is text position, second one is integer, third one is also the integer salary. It is the structure, internal structure of the table. So I just want to apply the group by on this particular table. You can see the business analyst value is different. Value inserted but not showing this table. So that is the reason. You can see class. It is my first table. business analyst, and when I apply the group by, you can see the business analyst salary is 45, 45,000. And when I apply this one, so business salary is something more. Why? And the CEO salary is the reason more. The reason is that it will group and it will total all the salaries of this one. Now the question is that order by. Anybody want to explain what is order by to arrange the data? Data like ascending or descending. So it is the salary data. Someone want to show the data into descending manner from the salary. How it is possible? And someone want to apply, also we have the employee data. So I want to show the employee data into the reverse. So we can use order by EMP descending. Select them and execute them. You can see the order ID in a descending manner. Now I just want to create a query, the combination of both order by and the group by. Now select them. I want to show the employee address and count from employee group by address. You can see the Merit come one time, California come two times. And also you want to group by. So you can use order by EMP address. You can write below order by EMP address descending. स्वाति दूध कर दियो. Now you can order by the descending. Now see the result. Mayor and California, if I just want to use ascending. California up and this one. So it is all about the group by and order by, and also the having clause I want to use there. Like if you want to show only the, after applying the group by, you want to show only the California. So after the group by, if you want to apply some condition, so you should have to use the having. having address equal merit. The having clause should be used there. You can see it is a data. Now the question is that EMP address in merit or the California only. So California. I think it is perfect. So the spelling mistake is there. Don't worry, I want to use the similar spelling. Now you can see only the one record is there. And when you want to apply only the group by, order by, so you can apply there. Any query? Any questions which I am doing here in a group by? What is the reason behind this? Like if we arrange the data into this manner, California, Los Angeles, and the New Jersey, and I want to give the order like sorting, ascending to like A, B, C, D, and descending to ascending. It depend on us. Okay, class. Now see the query. No one like asking me the questions during the class. So any problem?
So we're just looking.
Actually, we are just finding the result from the data. First one is inner join. Second one is left outer join. Third one is right outer join. Full join. Cross join. Self join. Let's see. I want to take the example of Excel pivot. Like so many time we have loaded and we have a multiple sheets. Now we want to create a consolidated report on a multiple sheets. Similar in SQL, we have create two table and link each other with the primary and the foreign key. Now the question is that, for example, we have a three table. First one is employee, second one is department, and third one is another like performance. So I want to ready a report from these three table. So like if I want to fetch out the number of column from the different tables, so with the help of join, we can easily find out. First one is inner join. Tables. So I have a table, two table. First one is employee and second one is department. Now we have a two table. Table one employee and table two this one. I want to apply the inner join. What the result will be show in inner join? So only show the common value. Both value exist in table 1 and the table 2. So select star from employee inner join department. So to apply some conditional into the joins, we should have to use the on. Now the table name is very lengthy, so that is the reason I'm giving a alias name or a nickname like James Smith. So GM. So E. So now we have a E. Now we have a D. Now E dot. So I want to compare the employee code and employee ID. So E dot EMP ID equal. Can we perform join without on? No. So it will show the complete information. So there is no way. Like 101 there, 2, 3. So I want to apply EMP ID E and D dot EMP code. So I want to compare EMP code to EMP ID 1. This one. You can see only the common result will be displayed. Now I want to see only the selected column. How you can see the selected column? Just E dot EMP ID. E means employee. E dot emp name. Then comma D department name, comma D dot name. You can see only this result will be shown. It will show the complete column, all the column, but it will show the selected column like EMP ID, EMP name, department name, and the project name. Okay, class. Are you getting my point? What I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
So we are just fetching the data from two
Okay.
table. Good. Similar in Power BI, I have actually all these things are interconnected each other. Yeah. So all things actually X when someone is already working with Excel, so can familiar with SQL. SQL also performing some data query on data, like how we can create table, insert value, update, delete, insert, to arrange the data with the help of group by, similar in pivot in Excel, to ascending, descending data. Now how we can fetch the value from the multiple tables. So similar in Power BI, we are just merging them. We know that I have discussed to embed the country code. You know very well, merge some formulae. So these things are interconnected. At least you have to work through in deeply all these things and create some projects on Power BI and try to execute some query on SQL. Then you realize, and after when we start some data work with Python, so similar that kind of the process is also available in Python. So that is the reason I want to clear out all the doubts from SQL and the Power BI. After this class, now I want to discuss the left join. So the left outer join show the left table data complete, and those are common in right hand side. It will be show, otherwise show the null. You can see left join show the left table data complete. On the right hand side, it will be show the common data. So it is a left join. Similar is right outer join. The right outer join show the right hand side complete data. You can take some different example, but in my table I have only the 101. If some other values are there like 1, 0, 4 and 5. So it will show right hand side data and show the null on the left hand side. Full join. Now full outer join show the complete data of both two tables. It is a full join. Full join show the complete value of the both table. If not exist this particular value, so it will repeat this one again. And the cross join. When we are talking about the cross join, so again it will show the same result. And so we have only the one value, so that is the reason the cross join is not reflecting so much. So the similar result showing the cross join, but internal things are different. So the cross join just multiply this value 1 to 3 times, and full outer join show the complete value of the both table. So full outer join work perfectly. You can full and the outer, it depend on you. Only the full join. But the cross join work different. But I have only the one value. So 1 to this one, if I have some, okay, don't worry. I want to create one more table, department, without foreign key. Department 2. Without foreign key, I want to insert department 2, insert value, similar is 102. You can also create in upper table, not a problem. Like if we are talking about the department, so I can insert the department. Perfect. Now the value insert successfully. Now we have two value. So no need to create the table again. I'm talking about again from the starting. The inner join will be show the table. Those values are common. So 101, 102 are common, and we are talking about this one. So I want to show the selected column. Now click on this one. So it will show the selected column. Left outer join completely show the left table, and those values match on the right hand side. It will show, and those values are not match on the right hand side. It will be show the null. Right outer join is reverse as compared to left, but on the right hand side we have complete table and the similar match in the left hand side. If those values are not match on the left hand side, that it will show the null value on the left hand side. Full join show the complete data from both side. You can see 101, 2, 3, and a cross join. Cross join and the full join look like same in SQL, but in SQL Server it's different. So it will cross the value in similar this manner. A to all, B to all, something like that. So first we have a value 101, 1012, 1011, 1022, 100. So it is a value. Now the cell join implemented on the same table. Any doubt, class? Actually today I have discussed lots of the technical part in SQL. So these are the query I want to provide it into the chat box.